Let's see how to turn spell checker off in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that for some reason you want to turn off spell checker in Microsoft Word. Now, spell checker is a very useful tool in Microsoft Word that automatically highlights misspelled words within your document. Now, let's say that you want to turn this setting off, and what you can do is click on the File tab, and right here, click on Options, and from here, click on Proofing. Now, make sure that you uncheck this box right here, check spelling as you type, and what that will do is it will turn off spell checker in Microsoft Word. Now, click on OK, and as you can see, our misspelled word that was previously highlighted is now not highlighted. Now let's try that as we type again. And as you can see, it still is not highlighted even though it is misspelled. And that is how you can turn off spell checker in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.